Hello and welcome to Exploring the Periodic Table. I'm Adam the Atom, along with Science Girl.
Hello.
And today we are going to take a look at the element cobalt. And we're back. Cobalt, or element 27 as some of us called it, was first discovered in Sweden by George Brandt in 1735. The name cobalt was derived from the German word kobold, meaning goblin or evil spirit.
How about some basic information, Adam? Hooray!
Thanks, Science Girl. Cobalt has an atomic number of 27, hence the name element 27. The chemical symbol for cobalt is capital C, lowercase o. It has a mass number or atomic weight of 58.933 per atom. It is a member of group 9 and of period number 4. It has a really high boiling point of 3,173 degrees Kelvin, or 5,252 degrees Fahrenheit. The melting point is high as well, ringing in at 1,768 degrees Kelvin, or 2,723 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow, that's hot!
Cobalt is a brittle yet hard element with magnetic properties similar to iron.
Tell me more.
Cobalt has a color that is lustrous, meaning shiny, metallic looking, and with a grayish tinge. It is a member of the class transition metals, which means you're going to find it on the periodic table to the left of all the semi-metals and non-metals.
Where can you find cobalt?
Well, Science Girl, that's a very good question. Cobalt's ore deposits are found in Zaire, Morocco, and Canada. There's even a little bit in human beings like yourself. If you want to look a little further out though, the highest deposits of cobalt are found in meteorites, which if they crash into Earth like an Armageddon, ha ha ha, we would be able to study their atomic makeup.
Are there any compounds that can be made using cobalt?
I'm so glad you asked. Yes, cobalt has been put into many compounds with other elements. Some of these include cobalt 2 and 3 fluorides, cobalt 2 and 3 chlorides, cobalt oxide, and cobalt iodide.
What are some uses for cobalt?
Cobalt has been used since the early generations of Mesopotamia to color glass and other materials like pottery and tiles a brilliant blue color. It has also been used in magnet and stainless steels. You can even find it in paint. Cobalt-60, an artificial isotope, is used as an important high-energy radiation tracer and radiotherapeutic agent. Some is even found in the air, as in airplanes. It is used in the jet turbines.
So many nifty uses, I can hardly believe it.
Believe it, sister, this is nature at work around you. So until next time, peace, love, and the periodic table. This is Adam the Atom and Science Girl signing off.
Bye-bye!
Join us next week as we learn about blowing things up with plutonium.
Thank you very much.
For watching our show.